going on, everybody? It's your boy Joe Fan coming at you with an official unboxing of the Denon Prime 4. It came. It finally came. I waited for so long, but it came. So we're gonna get right into this unboxing of the Denon Prime 4 right after this quick intro. So we're gonna get right into this unboxing. I've been waiting forever for this. This feels so good. The box is actually really light. When it came in the mail, I was like, oh, this is actually pretty light. The box is, I think it's more of a box than a unit, but we're gonna see once I dive right into this and open it up. So we're gonna get into it. We're gonna do multiple parts of this. Next step would be like the whole hard drive. Since my hard drive, I was trying to set up my SSD yesterday. My regular hard drive that I use always for DJing decided to crash on me. So now I gotta bring it to a buddy of mine to try to get data recovery off of it, since there's some weird issue I'm having with the Mac where it's unmounted and it's not reading, but it's like not busted. It's really confusing. So I gotta get a look at that. Hopefully a buddy of mine can fix it. So in the meantime, we're gonna unbox this very well taped box right here. She's a beaut, right? Let's take her out of this brown box stuff. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Alright, so here's the front of the box. Right there, Denon Prime 4. We got the back of the box. Right here. All you guys can see it. Pretty much gives so there's the back of it. Denon Prime 4. Stage link. On some provides. That's the back. That's the back of the box. So we're gonna actually open it now. Board deck channel. Oh boy. Oh. I love opening up new equipment. It's like just the smell and everything in electronics is amazing. It came. Oh, there's the poster. Comes with a, actually it's a really nice poster too. I'll take it my new place, hopefully in a couple months. I'll be able to hang this up somewhere. But nice, sturdy poster. Cool. Down to the side. Move around so you guys can see what I'm doing. Oh. Ooh. Alright. So, well, garbage. First thing we got. Can't see, it's all wrapped. Oh. Power adapter. UC. Cool. First one thing you see in the box. This guy. Bang. This guy. Bang. And of course, they keep the stuff in the bottom of the box. So you got your, for the sound cue links, the manuals they have in here. Nice package, pre-package, and this is obviously the best thing of them all. Everything out of the way now. Boop. Wow. And let's open this bad boy up. So here it is. Denon Prime. I think they should have kept the on the spoon when we packed it, the cover. So hopefully the cover's in that bag. All right. Oh, she's a beauty. And she's really not big. Like, I'm surprised. Like, you see comparisons where they compare this next to a couple of controllers, and I would definitely say probably size of like an SX, maybe. A little thickness. But it was definitely small platters. I can see what they're talking about with small platters. I think they're maybe a little bit bigger than my NV2s I had of Newmark. They're a little bit bigger. Pretty tight though. Here's the screen. You lift and have your certain settings. So it goes like that. Well, I don't know. Here it is. See, this thing, the cover, should have been on top when it was packaged, I think. So having it, oh, it's nice, and he said that's good. It pops right on top of it. Boom. I mean, folds down like that, folds up like that. Very easy to remove the screen, to move around the screen. Very, very great to move around the screen. So I want to dive into things. Wow, I love this pitch fader feel. Very tight. It's nice. I feel like it could be a little bit more accurate, even though sometimes Denon, the engine gives you wrong BPMs. I'm gonna try to mess with that more when I mess with the engine Prime software itself. But so far the crossfaders are really nice. Very loose on the crossfader. You can see, I mean, it's very, yeah. The sliders, the volumes are decent. I mean, they're alright. They do the trick, I guess. It's just the way they feel. They're kind of tight, but you know, they're not loose, so they're pretty good. I don't see anything like how like the Denon sometimes always the caps pop off, like it's really annoying. Let's see what else we got in this bad boy. So, I mean, you pretty much know everything while guys watching a million videos like I did. The buttons, yep, plasticky. The pads, they don't click. Kind of like, yeah, I guess like when you get like an Akai product that has, you know, like a MIDI pad. That's what it's basically kind of like. Like I said, I think they take a lot of their features from Akai when it comes to the screen, these pads. And knobs are actually nice and tight, like a rubber feel, which, you know, usually you get like that metal plasticky feel with the other controllers when you use your filters. It's a rubber feel, so it gives you a little bit better of a grip, so you're not overturning, or, you know, it doesn't have that quick slide. So that could be somewhat of an issue, but not really. It does pretty much everything I think I'm gonna need it for. So this is just a real quick unboxing of it. I won't actually plug it in so you guys see it turn on for the first time, but we're gonna do more videos when I go into the back and put the hard drive in. I just gotta go to a buddy of mine to get my music back, because right now I really don't have the music. I have some on a flash drive and on another hard drive that's not formatted for, you know, FAT32, so I just gotta do some of that. But otherwise, you know, I can stick some flash drive in and play like a song or two, but I'll at least get it plugged in and turned on so you guys can see what it looks like turned on. This is just a simple unboxing, just so you guys can see it out of the box. Like I said, the box is a decent size. You know, the controller is not heavy at all, like it's pretty light. And you know, you got the feels, this is a little like, aluminum type feeling, it's a little weird. Buttons, clickable. Buttons are normal. I mean, when you feel like any other controller, they kind of feel the same. I gotta get used to the hard plastic clicks of these, but I'm not really used to that. Most of my controllers never really do that, but, you know, I'm coming from turntables too, so who knows. But it has a lot of connections on the back. I'll also show you the back really quick, and it looks really nice when you look at it from the back. You know. There's the back of it all. You see all the plugins, outputs. So that's the back. Like I said, this is nothing too special of an unboxing. It's just, you know, it came out of the box, and you probably see a couple already, but just for the fact that I have it in my hands so we can really dissect it more, and that's why I want to go into my further videos. So if you'd like to see me dissect more into these videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, we'll be diving more into these videos as soon as possible. But before I end this video, I'll turn it on for you guys. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Again, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace. Now we will turn it on for the very first time. Drum roll, please.